Hello to the whole world. Let's see what we have at the moment. Okay, this is the problem right here. We've got to write a program that generates a random number between 1 and 10 and prints your name that many times. Again, it doesn't sound that hard, at least from my point of view. However, if you are an absolute beginner and you're watching this for the first time, you're not quite used to numbers in Python, you might find it tricky. Okay, number of times is equals to rand int from 1 to 10 for I in range. We'll put number of times and then print my name that much, okay, or rather that many. Oops, why can I print the word print? Type the word print. Okay, this is number 3. Now let's hit the run button and see what we get. Oh, really? So now it's 5. Let's try it for the last time. It's 1. Okay, that's gonna be it, you guys. I guess I'll see you on the next solution. Cheers.